Guys, it's Video Tech Dude from Video Tech Dude Academy, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can set up multiple screens, in my case 3 screens, but my middle one is a different resolution than the two on the end. The middle one is 1080 while the ones on the end are 144p, and so that creates a different size, and so when I drag a window across the screens it becomes bigger and smaller and it's all weird and it does not match up. It's very annoying. But I'm going to be showing you how you can fix it today in this video. Okay, so the first step is to make sure that the monitors that are bigger have some black bars on them so the height of the screen surface area matches your smaller screen. In order to do that, you're going to open up the Nvidia Control Panel. After that, we're going to go to Adjust, Desktop Size, and Position. You're going to click on the Size tab and click Enable Desktop Resizing. Hit Resize, then it will show you an overlay on the screens for horizontal and vertical adjustments. You're going to modify the vertical adjustment until your screen matches the same height as your smaller screen. This will create black bars on your bigger screen to match your smaller screen, if that makes sense. You want to make sure you take note of the new height you just made the screen in pixels, because that's what you're going to set your 1080 or your smaller screen resolution to. Alright, so the next step is to create a custom resolution for your smaller screen. In order to do that, we're going to go back into the Nvidia Control Panel. We're going to go to Change Resolution, which is the first thing under Display, and then click on your display you want to change, and then you're going to hit Customize. This will open up a window. You're going to hit Enable Resolutions Not Exposed to or by the display at the bottom, and then click Create Custom Resolution. After that, you're going to create the vertical lines. That's going to be, you're going to enter in the vertical lines the same number of how many pixels you made your screen on the side. It was 1266 for mine, so I'm going to put 1266 for vertical, and to find the horizontal, I just went to a website which I just typed in Google resolution calculator, and then I selected 16:9 aspect pixels, and then it gave me what my horizontal pixels should be. So then I entered that under horizontal pixels, and then you hit test, and then once that works, you want to make sure you click yes, it worked after you do that, and then it will not set your screen as that resolution yet. You have to go to the Windows settings by going to Display Settings, and then you click on your middle screen, and then you set the display resolution to the one that you just made, which will now appear, which was not there before. So now that you did that, in the Windows display settings, it should now look like all of the 3 monitors are the same height, which they were not before. And you can rearrange them however you'd like, hit apply, and then it will make sure that those monitors are in the right order for you. Now, since the monitors are the same height in the display situation, little window right here, you'll be able to drag the windows across the different screens, and they won't be a smaller or bigger size when you drag them over there, which was a problem that I was having originally. And also, the third thing is to make sure that you have the scale set to the same percentage for all 3 screens. You can set it to whatever you'd like to make things bigger or smaller, but you just want to make sure it's the same percentage on all 3 screens. That will make it so everything works smoothly and seamlessly. And also, a bonus tip is to change the color settings on your monitors and try to match them as best as possible to make it a more seamless experience if you're using different monitors. If you're not using different monitors, then just make sure all the settings are the same on all 3 monitors, or however many you're using. With that being said, that is all my tips I have for you so far. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and I'll be happy to get to them. And with that being said, have a great one and subscribe if you want to be notified of new videos. See you later.